Happy Travel Agency. Presents you a magnificent new place to enjoy with your family. Do you want to know new cultures? Do you want to know a little history? Do you want to eyes to see what they never thought to see? Well, come and see one of the wonders of the world, the Great Wall of China, and get an unique experience. You can see two pictures. This is a Great Wall of China. It's magnificent for you. Come on. Here, a hotel near the place and other tourist sites. In two pictures, you will have a tourist watch 8 hours a day. It's magnificent. Only for you. In two pictures, there will be nice restaurants. Delicious. Also, Happy Travel, the agency invites you a romantic dinner on the Great Wall of China. This is very so pretty. Special for you lover. What did you say for this? Because we are interested in making your vacation unforgettable, reserve your Spain now. This is a special offer for you. Come on. What did you have? Bye.